Hey friends, today I'm going to unbox and share my first impressions of the Honor Magic V Flip, which was just launched recently. It has the industry's largest external screen, a super attractive design and affordable price, and a solid build. Let's dive in and see what this new phone has to offer. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky here. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. So, let's start with the unboxing. This is the Honor Magic V Flip box. Let's open the lid and set the phone aside for now. Inside the box, we get the usual accessories like a SIM ejector tool, a split protective case, a 66-watt power adapter with a Type-A output, and a data cable. Now, let's remove the protective film from the main screen and check if the crease is visible when the phone is unfolded. You can see the crease slightly in the light's reflection. Compared to a regular phone screen, the foldable screen's crease is noticeable. The phone has a flat metal frame with a premium texture. The edges of the frame have a slight curve, giving it a nice in-hand feel. Even when folded, the phone is easy to hold. It's not too thick and weighs just 193 grams, so it's not too heavy either. The back panel of the phone has eye-catching textures that look like special feather patterns. There's also a small dual flash with a unique design, but it's placed quite far from the camera. Let's start the phone. It runs on Magic OS 8, which is based on Android 14. The main screen has a high screen-to-body ratio. The phone also has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. For performance, it features the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. This model has 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, while the highest variant offers 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. The main screen has a resolution of 2520 by 1080 pixels. The phone supports a high refresh rate of 60 and 120 Hz with an adaptive refresh rate option. The main selling point of this phone is its large external screen, the biggest ever in a flip phone. A few years ago, the main screen of phones was this size, but this phone has a square screen ratio. The visual impression of the external screen is really good. It's divided into two sections, left and right. The left side shows the time, while the right side displays content. Most commonly used programs appear on the right side. You can easily perform daily functions on this external screen. You can not only make phone calls and send text messages, but also watch videos, use TikTok, browse the web, and use e-commerce apps. In short, you won't need to use the main screen much because this external screen is very convenient. Even when taking selfies, the screen layout automatically adjusts between horizontal and vertical. I'll be uploading a detailed review of the phone soon. This was just a first impression video. You can also see a comparison with other flip phones here. As for the price, the base variant starts at 4,999 Chinese yuan, which is about 543 pounds in the UK or $690 in the USA. So, what do you guys think about the Honor V Flip? Tell us your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.